To access the Setup menu, right-click the mouse to access the main menu and select the Setup icon. Setup contains options and parameters to control how the Axiom hardware and software operates. ANSI allows you to select between ANSI 2003 or the current 2009/2014 ANSI IEC test suite. In addition, the high-frequency average can be replaced with a 3-frequency special purpose average. Date and time allows you to manually adjust the system's date and time. It also offers a choice of which day you would like the weekly on-ear and test box calibration to expire. Under Devices, there are 3 tabs: Display, Keyboard, and Mouse. The Display tab has a language dropdown. This allows the operating system language on the Axiom to be changed. The display sleep time can be set as desired, and Axiom graphs can be set to display in white or in black. The Keyboard tab allows you to select the language for your keyboard layout, while the Mouse tab allows mouse pointer speed selection. MaxTM SPL sets a level that the system will stop the test if the set level is exceeded by default. However, it can be raised, lowered, or disabled as needed. If it is disabled, take extra care to avoid exposing the client to dangerous sound levels. Network allows you to configure a network connection. The Change button allows you to select between wired Ethernet or a wireless Wi-Fi network. For Axioms with serial numbers between B1000 and B2107, the optional audio scan Axiom Wi-Fi adapter is required for wireless networking. A network connection is required for using the audio scan NOAA module to transfer assessment data, store and print results, and view and operate the Axiom from the PC. NHL to EHL is for converting ABR measurements in NHL to EHL for use in the hearing aid fitting system. By default, this is set to the DSL defined. You can change these transforms to a user-defined transform by selecting the toggle. Printing allows you to choose your printing configuration. This can be a physical printer connected via USB, a Windows Share, or a network. Or you can print to file using a USB stick or a Windows Share. To save printer ink, you can configure the printouts to use white in place of gray screen elements. Page Setup configures the elements that appear on your printed reports. Check or uncheck the various boxes to customize your reports. Save options set how the default for test levels, stimuli, and audiometry behave. Selecting Set POD sets the current speech map or insertion gain settings as your defaults. The yes or no toggles determine whether the system will return to this default configuration after the session is erased or when the equipment is turned off. Power on self-test is a system hardware check that also occurs on boot up. Ambient level check is for troubleshooting room noise during real ear measurement. This provides guidance on which test levels may be affected by room noise. Initialize erases user settings, as well as weekly calibrations, and then reboots the system. Session allows you to save the results via USB or network share for later retrieval. Sessions can also be saved via a remote console PC application, which can be accessed from within the AudioScan NOAA module, or can be downloaded as a standalone application. SpeechMap allows you to choose whether the last measured speech envelope is automatically hidden or not. You can also choose the averaging time during the setup portion of a calibrated speech signal in SpeechMap. Selecting a slow averaging time will make it easier to adjust hearing aid output to prescriptive targets before recording the speech passage. Select the Stimuli tab and choose which calibrated and non-calibrated signals appear in your stimulus drop-down list in SpeechMap by checking and unchecking the boxes. For more information on any of the setup options, please see the Axiom user guide.